So last week, I was in Zurich in Switzerland and I spent my time meeting clients, bankers, and lawyers over there. Even though I run most of my business in Dubai, but Switzerland plays a very important role for some of our high net worth clients who have additional banking requirements that are not all met in Dubai, especially those who need to cash out large crypto portfolios in legal and compliant way. That's why the main purpose of my visit to Switzerland was to help some of these clients open Swiss private banks, transfer their crypto portfolios in a banking custodial service, as well as help them out with crypto to fiat conversion. So in this video, I'll walk you through why Switzerland is the key place when it comes to cashing out crypto legally, how the process of opening a Swiss private bank actually works, and how you can avoid some common mistakes that can cost you time, money, and even your account. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Wahid, and I've helped hundreds of high net worth clients create tax optimized structure to manage their wealth in Dubai and a combined structure in Switzerland, especially for crypto clients. So if you want my help in doing the same, you can apply to work with us by clicking the link in the description below. So I want to start with why Switzerland as a jurisdiction matters. The banking system in Switzerland is strong, reliable, and respected all over the world. Swiss banks are known for being serious about privacy and security, and they've built a long-term history of servicing wealthy clients. But more importantly, they have a clear and supportive legal framework when it comes to crypto itself. Dubai's government has always been supportive of the crypto initiatives, but when it comes to banking, they are still not as open to having crypto clients due to compliance challenges. On the other hand, Swiss regulators and bankers are not anti-crypto. In fact, they have built systems to make sure everything is compliant without making it impossible for clients to operate. That means if you follow the rules and prepare correctly, the process of owning a 100% legal crypto-backed bank account in Switzerland is quite possible, and something we can't even imagine yet in Dubai. Switzerland is attractive for a few clear reasons. Private banks here are comfortable handling large crypto transactions, whether it's 7 or 8 figures. The legal system is built to protect your privacy and gives you clear rules to follow. These banks also have a strong international reputation, which makes it easier to move money abroad or make global investments. And when you're ready to cash out, the process is not only legal, it's well structured and usually fast. And most importantly, you're not treated like a criminal just for holding crypto. Now let's compare that with Dubai. Dubai is a great place for tax planning, quick company setup, and general flexibility. But not all banks in Dubai are crypto friendly, especially if your crypto holdings are significant. The ones that do work with crypto still takes a very cautious approach. Now, if you have $1 million in crypto, managing it entirely from Dubai can still work well. You don't necessarily need an extra jurisdiction. Dubai is indeed a tax-free, fast, and flexible jurisdiction, so it can be enough on its own for smaller portfolios. But if you have larger crypto portfolios, such as $3 million or more in crypto, then Switzerland is not optional. It becomes a must-have jurisdiction in your financial toolbox. It gives you access to advanced banking tools, international legitimacy, and a much stronger legal environment for protecting and moving large amounts of money. That's why many of our Dubai-based clients still use Switzerland to cash out their crypto. We build the structure in Dubai and we exit in Switzerland. It's a strong combination that gives you the best of both systems. Now let's talk about the actual process of opening a Swiss bank account. So we work only with a small group of Swiss private banks that have dedicated crypto onboarding desks. These banks already serve other high net worth individuals with crypto portfolios, so they know what they're doing. Not every Swiss bank accepts crypto clients, so choosing the right one is the key. Once we have your profile pre-approved, we offer two options on setting up the account. First, you can come to Switzerland and I can join you personally at the bank to help you open the account and complete everything smoothly. And if you don't want to travel to Europe, we can set up everything while you're in Dubai in our office, because some of these Swiss banks we work with now offer full onboarding from Dubai through their regional teams. Either way, the key is to prepare everything before we start. That's where we come in, to help you create the proper foundation of your application so you don't get rejected or delayed. Now, these Swiss banks who work in the crypto space also provide custody solutions, meaning that you can send your crypto directly to the bank's vault. You don't need to liquidate first. The bank can hold your crypto securely, convert it to fiat when you are ready, and then credits it to your bank account. Once your funds are in fiat, You can invest them with the bank's asset management team, transfer them to other accounts, or simply hold them with the bank. The entire flow is compliant and legal. It's not only about avoiding problems, it's about doing things in a way that actually works in the long term. Now, here's the important part. We don't wait until you land in Switzerland to get everything started. We prepare everything in advance: documents, background checks, KYC, compliance checks. So when you do come, it's just a matter of signing and activating your bank account. Now, I want to talk about a hybrid structure that we are usually using. For many clients, we combine Swiss banking with a Dubai foundation. This is one of the best setups available for long term asset protection and legal clarity, as well as it keeps your wealth private. A Dubai foundation helps you separate your assets from your personal name. This is important if you're concerned about lawsuits, family disputes, or even long term planning and family succession. It also helps you lock in the value of your crypto in your books. For clients living in countries with high capital gains tax, this can make a big difference. For example, if you transfer the crypto to your foundation at a lower market value, that can potentially reduce the tax hit when you actually sell the crypto when the market is high. But again, that depends on your local laws, and we always work with international tax advisors to make sure that we are on the right path. So, in this hybrid setup, your Dubai foundation holds the crypto in a Swiss bank, and when it's time to cash out, the crypto is sold and the fiat money is sent directly to the Dubai Foundation's bank account in Switzerland. The Swiss bank already understand and support this structure. So the whole process is smooth and compliant. There are no red flags, no delays, and no back and forth questions if you do the onboarding process right from the first time. Everything flows the way it should, from crypto to fiat to a clean and secure banking and investment environment. This hybrid setup gives you strong legal protection, better privacy, and more flexibility. It's not about hiding your money, it's about structuring it in a smart, compliant way. Now, let me walk you through some of the key mistakes people make when setting up Swiss banking, especially in the crypto space. The first mistake is choosing the wrong bank. Just because a bank is Swiss doesn't mean it's crypto friendly. Some will block you, others will onboard you, but then freeze the accounts later. You need to work with banks that have dedicated crypto team and a clear policy. The second mistake is submitting weak documentation. You need a clear file, passport, source of funds, and source of wealth, KYC forms, that everything should be in order. This is not a place where you can send incomplete PDFs or say that I'll get back to you later. The third mistake is ignoring tax planning. Now, I have seen people cash out and move the money without proper planning and only later realize that they owe hundreds of thousands in tax to the tax authority back in the home country. That can be avoided if you plan properly. Now, the fourth mistake I see people make when it comes to cashing out crypto is using shady brokers or unlicensed third parties. Some people promise quick crypto cash outs with no paperwork or tax consequences. They exist, especially in the P2P or peer to peer space. But don't fall for it. These setups often break local laws and put your entire account at risk. Now, the fifth mistake I want to discuss is that mixing of business and personal assets. You need to keep your crypto strategy clean. If your crypto holdings are part of a business, use a company or a foundation to hold them. Don't use your personal name to hold everything, because any effect on the capital gains of those crypto will be tied to your personal name instead of your company. This is why clients come to us. We walk them through every step, we know the banks, and we handle the setup process from the foundation to the final transfer. So if you're serious about cashing out your crypto the right way, feel free to connect with me. There is a link in the description or message me on WhatsApp, and we'll review your situation and give you a step-by-step game plan. You're also welcome to visit Switzerland, and I'll walk you through the account opening process personally. We'll also help you build a proper structure like a Dubai foundation that protects your wealth long term and keeps things simple and compliant. Well, that's it for now. And if you're serious about building and protecting long term wealth in Dubai and Switzerland, you should really check out my next video right here.